The story of midsize cruise ship. Ha! What a wonderful day. The crew. Captain, maybe we will sink soon. That's okay, we will be fine. As long we dodge some storms. Captain, we will sink because our owner is getting bad. Don't worry about him. He's good. Our ship will not sink. It will not capsize as soon. Everyone in the seat. Wow! It's amazing. We like this ship. It's amazing. We can live here as long as we can. We are heading to the rich city. It's called the City of the Polog. Let's go! Everyone in this stern. Wow, it's amazing. I hope the ship doesn't capsize. Sleepy son, sleepy, weepy, we do. A long time later, we have reached to the Atlantic Sea. We're almost there. I mean, we are in the Philippine Sea. Let's go travel there. I excel before 1,000. Everyone in the ship. What? Attention. If the sink is now sinking, go ready and equip all the life jackets. What? Everyone, if the ship sinks, we will equip this lifeboats and life jackets. Wonderful. Almost the city later. Next night. Hey, why huh? Why there's a wind? our stanchions. We will die if we sing. Everyone stay into your cabins. Everyone come out to your cabins because we're gonna guide now. Let's guide our life jackets. Everyone guide all your life jackets. Oh no! The propeller has been broken. It turns into the right. It turns right into the way. Uh-oh, we're gonna sing. It's 10 meters waves. We can where we can Oh my god! Run! Let's run into the hallways! Objects are breaking. Strong winds. Ouch, man! Jesus, that was a bad weather. We passed the bad weather. Alright, let's go. Completing their mission late. Let's go back. I hope the time point comes up again. Everyone get out. Yes, Shani, good job. Oh no, everyone is drunk. That is bad. Next. We're almost there now, everyone. I could concept this again. Sing the ship. Jesus won't do it safe. Jesus won't save the people because they are very bad because they drunk. Oh my God! Jesus didn't do it for us because we are drunk. Uh-oh. Everyone is in the water. Many people later are dying. The Michael Jason. I need to go to the engine room and blast my way out. Psh! Yay! There's a lifeboat. Ride it. Safe in my heart and da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Well, that's the story of the MV mid-size cruise ship. Thank you for all watching. Like and subscribe for more story of the ships. like Quantum of the Seas or or Island Princess. Subscribe and like.